kasang hinyo club integrated territorial organization kala keno ba amdei setia uba George Bilingdo ubathok nei dei umati nama ka jana konda sangma ubathok akabdei ba kajing pinipur ba ka Assam yakani ka seng kala pan paw ka jana bang to khobor po Shillong Press Club hakabakala keno ba konda sangma habo la khot ik seng barang kamsim ladan setia kanu ka jing ta nei la chu khot bi ki bala pemana ba ka amuyu la banya sai badal ban pha aru support nang ba Delhi ba support Assam.
Why I had raised this question is because in the first phase of the talks, all these things did not happen. And only after the conclusion of the MOU have the Himas and other stakeholders objected to the signing of the MOU and the areas that were given away to Assam by the state governments. So I hope, sir, that the Honorable Chief Minister will stick to this particular process that he has already narrated. Because whatever we saw in phase 1 was never the way in which the Honorable Chief Minister had stated, sir.
Sir, it's sad that the Honorable Member is misleading the House completely. And I can completely say that it's a lie, what he's saying, sir. In fact, the process of the first phase saw multiple stakeholder meetings. For the first time, the ministers and the concerned officials went to ground zero, had multiple public hearings which are on record. Not only with just Meghalaya, but even Assam was with us. So, sir, I would ask the Honorable Member to refrain from making such statements which are completely misleading. You're in the House. This is not a press conference that is going on. So be clear about your facts. This is not the way a responsible member should be involved in this process, sir. I cannot say that every individual in the state has been involved, but the concern of the members was saying about the HIMAs. So the HIMAs, the discussion took place in all the relevant areas where it was. District Council, MDCs, all of them were there when the discussions were taking place. Different MLAs, different NGOs, different stakeholders, you name it, sir. I don't have the whole list with me right now.
Shillong Press Club dalsi ban pinsai halor katu ke jingkren jong menteri rangba menen kontrak kongkal ke sangma kebula ong yu nong nikmat jong ba kumrei konferensi ba George Mudo ong deu nong thok le new tau laya te badai kami katu pentien bu ong ba ula khot ke NGO ban ya konsol kumne kom tai halor MOU hina kalian jong HITO ngi persat ta ko ong bahaga khatra tarik kopor bu kontrak kongkal sangma ini hak tu meeting kamsim don kata ke discussion kalau long bikum ni kan ni ko kot kaslang nyila ada pembiang kan ni katai besia bawan hang ni ka meeting sim hang ni menget mede kadai kata kadai ka bau ka jingmut ka bau kren kam judon kata ka discussion ka baong tong nya perkhat kum ni ngin penuan ngin la pan ong ai kata ka MOU la de phat tak ngi penrem jor ba belai uang ba ki NGO kila don kata ka kerteng unless ba kila don ke discussion mereka sim don kata ke discussion bat kuman teni nuksa hakini ya katu ka MOU menakani ngila de pan ya kata ka report jong ka boundary committee na po dis council ngi claim yo pangindala kali bne na dis council katu ka pipa kila keren hantar ki claim keren ta ke jing hoy ngi la I lingba kilat patai ko bor minen lingba kitu kinong mikmat jong ki Assam kila wan salangpi bagi lo wat si insir ni mai kata ka de jing sha badai kitip bau kontrak sangma udai tang popet jong ke BJP udai tang nyongkong uban sat kan ti sri na wei shawai umdon ya kabor udai tang tau kon benriu jong ka BJP tangi ni menjuru ya ka jingkran ka Assam bangitip bau new CM juni umla thau perthai beri mu don bat ka NDA hapo ka jingyalam jong ka BJP ni na kalian ka jongi ni tangi kentu bet kawai kumba nakapor nakalian jong ka HITO ni say ong bet ba day ban depoliticize balik ka wan ka contradict hapdeng jong ka sor kane ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly bat ka district council namar ba ka day kaju ka satri kaju kalama kaju karong kumno ni ruling ka basong hante district council sel de political party bat ni uju hiu basong hanya hapo secretariat de uju simbol te kindala don daga ka gabakong partyless lani undon ka political party tat hangta ka disconsel kan sala pantuklar je ka customary law lani ki an ki kanun ki be dai bat ka beri nyopre kan jong ka hito te ngi shpa bi ka korwa ka sarkar bahakan ka phase 1 phila bakla wat ya ka concession jong ka re India ru dangla ban amen ya ka MOU kamdei ka bae tangina kaliang ko jongi kentu ba nadalong ka bala baha pan pembet syawat um kata ya ka sentimen jong upai pa tharai philai hi dangsian ka ai ka baja nada umop umi tanga kuntu ya ka sarkar ban kinong mi khmat ban laj ban jan kan ok no jing sungsi ya pisia kinong mi khmat shaban poi arpu lai mi kentu ya pisia long kiba kala bamot sung thot na ya ka kam nada phide la phitrei hok na banta agri ke benrio kelet no pi phidon har to political parties kabala ya lam ya pi shaga jing snio mat ban punjab ya kari sebagai ke benrio ke jongi